Alright, hey guys, so this is my makeup area and it's a hot mess as you guys can see. We have stuff going on. I have this divider. I think it's really cute. I did get me just a white simple chair, but we are going to do a makeover in my makeup area. So I'm just showing you guys the before, and this has been, you know, like this since I moved. Well, not this disorganized, but they were, you know, all over the place. I took these out just to wipe them off. So this is the area I've been working, doing my makeup like maybe 3 weeks now, like this. So, you know, pretty much so this is it. I have so many stuff. I'm gonna get rid of most of these makeup. I'm gonna pack them up, get rid of them, give them away, send them to Jamaica, because I'm not gonna be needing most of them, because, you know, I have stuff coming out and stuff, so we're gonna minimize and everything. So this is the before. It's a hot mess. Like, you see that? I even got a wig hanging right there. So I'm gonna show you guys these stuff. Oh, and so guys, this wall right here, we are going to do a decor on this wall. I'm super excited to do this part, but I think I'm gonna do the tidying up part first. But this wall right here and this one, we're gonna put something fancy there. I'm gonna show you guys what I have for this. It's gonna be super cute. I think I saw the idea and I was like, I'm gonna use it too. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. I'm excited for that. So stay tuned. This is the wall before, and I'm gonna show you guys the after. Alright, so right here I have these two drawer from IKEA, and these are what we're gonna use under the makeup table. They've been sitting here for over 2 weeks. I have some stuff right here that we are gonna use to decorate the area. I have stuff in here. This is gonna be on top of the table, and I have some stuff, just some more decor stuff. What I'm not using, I'll definitely bring back. But I have something customized for me from Anne's Creation. Yes, Anne's Creative Designs. That's her right there. We're gonna open this box and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. I can't wait to see. She did do something for the kids, because I don't show the kids' room as yet, so she did some letters for the kids, and she's also a supporter of the Carter family. So, you know, she did this for me, Anne's Creative Designs. She's on Instagram and she's lit, guys. You need to check her out. Like, I'm gonna open this box and show you guys what's inside. I don't know, I don't see it as yet, but also I have this box over a week sitting right here. I'm excited, so let's go and open it. Oh my god, I don't. Oh, I'm excited. Alright, guys, let's go. You ready? Oh wow. So this is our card. It says, "Thank you for your order, your support, and genuinely it's greatly appreciated." Sorry. And this is it. Oh. So let's do something. So this is our number, and if you want to email her, it's Anne's Creative Designs 876@gmail.com. Instagram, she's on Etsy, Facebook, Instagram. So there you go, guys. But She sent me so much thank you card. Another one. I'm excited to see these stuff. And she writes down. Watch Chrissy work. You see that? So my name. Oh, I got 2 of these. So I have 2 Watch Chrissy work. Okay, cute. See, and she makes sure she protects the stuff. Oh, this is like a mirror, a standing thing for my desk. And this one says W. Really cute, right? And then we have the C. WC. W. So we have 3 of these. Oh my god, this is so cute. This says BU. This is so cute. And she made these guys. I like the wrapping papers. Oh, I got another WCW. Ooh. This one says listen. Y'all know I like to say that word. Listen, let me tell you something. So she told me she's gonna make one that I said, you know, hashtag listen. And they're cute. I'm excited. And you know, I said the best for legs. Oh, let me tell you something. Ooh, I have a green, I have a light pink, and a darker pink. And then guess what? I have my name. So it's I cannot wait to put these up. I am super excited. Oh my god, I'm overexcited. People, it's like after 12 in the night, and I said, listen, I'm not gonna hang these up as yet, but I'm gonna start fixing my makeup room because I'm completely booked for wigs, and I'm just waiting for the hair to dry. Because when I get my hair, I normally wash them first before I do anything. So we do have some stuff right here also. I'm gonna show it to you guys. And whatever I will use, I'm gonna bring back. So the first one is this. She writes her own rules and inspires others to follow. Yes, that's so true. Well, that's what I think. So that's the first one. I don't know if I'm recording right, but you guys will see after. I have this one that says hustle. I think it's also cute. This is hustle. And I have this that says hustle hard and never quit. That one too. I like this lip. This is just a lip with some gold stuff. I do like that also. We have she believed she could, so she did. You know, these are just some positive stuff that I want to put on my wall. let your light shine, Matthew 5 verse 14. And I think this is really cute. Do you guys like this one with the pop of green? I really like the green mixed with the blush pink and the pink, so we have something green. And then this one says be beautiful, able, reasonable, strong, feminine, independent, intelligent, courageous. Okay, so I do have, I think it's 2 more. These are just some girl stuff. I'll probably bring these back or put them in the kids room. I don't even know why I bought these, you know. But I think I have 2 more. I have some more, but I'm gonna bring these back. I did buy a C. It's right here, but I think hers are more beautiful. Yeah, I think I like hers more. It's sad to say, but I like hers. I really like hers more than the one that I bought. So I'm bringing this back, the C. And I did buy a J. I don't know. I'm gonna bring it back because it makes no sense. Because Johnny have a J already. I have this green one. Bringing this back also. Have nowhere to put it, and I think I'm gonna bring this one back also. It says wake up and makeup, but I'm gonna see if everything fits in the area first before we get rid of these. Okay, so I showed you guys everything that I got, and it's time for me to start fixing the makeup room. And then we have these to hang up another day. We're gonna think about the design and we're gonna hang them up. Okay, so stay tuned, guys.